Um, hello, and today we are, right now, wrong game. We are playing Subway Surfers. Pretty good, fun game. And, so yeah. Now, I just got my phone that I'm using, so, my sticking stuff, so I don't got my Subway Surfers account at the moment. So I don't have any of my skins, that's why I'm just a version of that. But yeah, I just want to play some Subway Surfers. Okay, I thought I was going to pick and die there maybe. But Subway Surfers is pretty fun. Oh, but I'm stupid. Yeah. Cold. Well, not cold, but cold. I got it. For a second, I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it. I got 500 coins. I've never done that before. I think I've played it a lot. No! Oh, what the? I think I've played on this game a lot, so that's new high score. Well, like, I haven't played it a lot on this phone, which I don't have to count or anything, as I was talking about it earlier. Okay. Oh yes, I will. Those things. We'll make the jetpacks and all that stuff. Go here. Yeah. 105. Times 2, which means I get times 2 of coins. I don't remember what oh, times 4. Oop, oop. Yeah. Ah, fudge. Would have gone that magnet, but probably would have died. I'm really freaking rusty in this game. Oh, I thought I was gonna make it. Wait, what? Oh, that was an ad. Oh, my bad. What the? I'm so confused. Oh, wait, I've had this game before on my old phone, but yeah. Honestly, I think I'm gonna be done for the video. Let me just skip this ad because I'm stupid. This way, let me just do something. Gonna download this game because I used to play it, which it was kind of fun actually. Okay, done. But anyways. Oh wait, I gotta restart. Then I get the magnet. The magnet. Oh yes, I've always wanted to get like a mech. Well, that was great. I lost it right as I was getting all those coins. Blue type turns into boost, which turns into... Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, new ice sword. Yay! God. Yay! But anyway, as I was saying... Yeah. As I was saying... this is gonna be the end of the video. So goodbye, and yeah. So bye.